Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to upload images on Murf AI, a quick guide. Are you ready to bring your vision to life? Let us explore the simple process of uploading images to Murf AI. So, let us begin. Step 1. In your Murf Studio project, click on Add Media located on the left side to start the process. Step 2. Choose your source. Whether you have your own images or want to explore Murf's image stock library, you are in control. Step 3. Then follow the prompts to upload your images and then add them to your project timeline. And there you have it. Your images are now ready to fuel your creative journey with Murf AI. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.